Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find Miss Stevens' writing prompts, copy it, and put it in your document and turn it into her. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're in Google Classroom and you're going to look for something that says your writing journal request or responses. And you can see that it kind of has these little hands by it. It says click the document below to write your journals. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it and open it up. You're going to notice that at the top, it kind of comes up with a document icon, but it also has those little hands, which is helpful for you to know that you need to respond. You're going to notice up here that there's a link, and when you click on the link, this is where Miss Stevens is going to have her writing prompts. And I can see that she says, hey, this is what I have to respond to. So she's going to have you copy it by dragging your cursor across it and Command C if you're on a Mac, or Control C if you're on a Windows, or Control C if you're on a Chromebook. It's going to copy it, or I can just go Edit Copy. Now that I have it, I have taken it from Miss Stevens because I can see I've kind of taken it from her book, and now I'm going to go back to mine, which has the little hands on it, and I'm going to click on it. And she says paste this, and here, Control V. So I'm going to do that, and it's in here, or I could do edit paste. It's the same thing. And now I'm going to write my response. And as I write my response, it's going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. And that's just okay. When we're done, we're going to turn it in. So I'm going to go up here, say turn in, and it's going to say, hey, are you sure you're going to want to turn this in? And I'm going to say, yeah, turn it in. And then Mrs. Stevens is going to look at it. She might make some comments on the document and return it back to you. So now that I've turned in my work, she's going to grade it. And when I go back, well, let's close this up for a little bit. And I go back to my classwork, I can look at my assignment and I can go, let's take a look at this document. So when I go in here, I can see, oh, somebody made a comment. So it might be your teacher, it might be somebody else at your school. This person is telling me they did not finish the work. If I click on this, it's going to go away. But I might want to respond back and say, I had to run to a doctor's appointment. Thank you. I forgot to finish, or whatever. I can reply back to my teacher. So I can continue as long as I click and respond. If this conversation is all done, your teacher might say, everything has been resolved and it's okay, but I still have to get this work done. Not only do I have to get this done, but there's a new assignment. So I'm going to go here and I can see, oh, this is the other prompt. I'm going to copy it. And again, I'm taking it from her book. And I'm going to go right back to where the blue document is and where I'm going to respond. I'm going to click here and I'm going to go Edit Paste. Now I have two things that I need to turn in. When I woke up this morning and finished that, just like before, I can turn it in. It's going to make sure that I want to turn it in. And then I can even say to my teacher here, I did both prompts. And send it to her. So each week in my Google Classroom, I'm going to go to classwork and I'm going to click on this and I'm going to make sure I have my prompts here, but I'm going to check here and look for the new prompt.